Alex explores the sprawling junkyard until he finds a rusted, skeletal G-Wagon buried under forgotten automotive parts. Walking around the wreckage, Alex sees deep gashes and a buckled frame, realizing this restoration will be daunting.
Take it easy on the rear line.
A tow truck carefully pulls the damaged vehicle from its grave, beginning the long transition from wreckage to resurrection. As the truck hauls the rusted frame away, Alex follows closely, making a silent vow to revive its glory. The battered G-Wagon arrives at Alex's pristine workshop, its ruined state contrasting sharply with the clean, bright environment. Alex carefully records every dent and rusted patch on his tablet, planning the complex stages of this painstaking resurrection. Using power tools, Alex begins removing mangled doors and shattered glass, stripping the vehicle down to its core elements. He meticulously sorts salvageable components from the irreparable ones, turning chaotic wreckage into an organized plan for renewal. High-pressure washers blast away decades of burn and rust, purifying the raw steel surfaces for the vehicle's eventual rebirth. Using abrasive brushes, Alex tackles persistent rust until the frame's original bare metal finally begins to gleam once more. Specialized hydraulic equipment slowly pulls the worn frame back into its precise factory-spec dimensions for perfect structural symmetry. Alex expertly welds new steel onto the frame, reinforcing the vehicle's backbone with strong, precise arcs of molten metal. With rhythmic strikes, Alex hammers out deep dents, skillfully restoring the original smooth curves of the heavy side panels. He test-fits a repaired door panel onto the restored frame, ensuring perfect alignment before the painting process begins. Alex skillfully applies body filler to smooth out any remaining imperfections, creating a level foundation for the final finish. Progressively finer bits of sandpaper transform the patched surface into a flawless, uniform canvas ready for the primer coat. Now fully primered, the G-Wagon stands in uniform gray, representing a monumental milestone in its long journey back. Alex meticulously masks off the windows and trim, ensuring sharp lines and preventing any unwanted overspray on the primer. The first layer of obsidian black paint flows smoothly, transforming the dull gray primer into a glistening metallic finish. A second coat deepens the rich color, building toward a mirror-like finish that reflects Alex's unwavering dedication to excellence. Multiple layers of clear coat create a breathtaking liquid smooth shine, revealing an automotive masterpiece reborn in absolute splendor. Alex polishes the clear coat to eliminate every imperfection, ensuring the exterior radiates unparalleled depth and brilliant clarity. Pristine metallic suspension components are installed, replacing rusted originals to revitalize the vehicle's legendary ride and off-road capability. The reconditioned engine is carefully lowered into the bay, providing a powerful and gleaming heart for the rejuvenated machine. Alex diligently routes the new wiring harnesses and fuel lines, restoring the vital systems that will bring life back. The rebuild transmission is meticulously aligned, ensuring seamless power delivery and robust performance for this restored urban legend. Tension fills the air as Alex turns the key, and the engine bursts to life with a triumphant roar. High-performance brake calipers and rotors are installed, providing the stopping power needed for the G-Wagon's renewed life. Luxurious black leather upholstery is installed, transforming the damaged interior into an opulent sanctuary of comfort and modern style. A state-of-the-art infotainment system is integrated into the dashboard, bringing modern functionality to this classic automotive icon. A crystal clear windshield is fitted, erasing the final visual remnants of the vehicle's past destruction and shattered history. New chrome badges and polished door handles are attached, adding a final touch of sophistication to the stunning exterior. Bright LED headlights are installed, cutting through the air and complementing the deep black paint with a modern aesthetic. Aggressive off-road tires on gleaming black alloy wheels are bolted on, giving the vehicle its powerful and commanding stance. Alex meticulously details every crevice of the cabin, applying leather conditioner to ensure a luxurious and factory-fresh finished environment. The fully restored G-Wagon gleams flawlessly under workshop lights, a magnificent testament to dedication and expert craftsmanship. Before the maiden voyage, Alex verifies every fluid level and electronic system to ensure the vehicle operates without flaw. Moving with effortless grace, The G-Wagon glides out of the workshop and into the sunlight for its inaugural journey. The obsidian black paint shimmers under the sun as the vehicle cruises down roads, displaying pure elegance and power. Conquering steep inclines, the G-Wagon proves its resilient spirit has been revived far beyond its original junkyard condition.